welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome! My name is Callie and this is my YouTube channel dedicated to all things nails and good vibes. In today's video I'm going to be sharing 5 minimal, maybe dress code friendly nail designs, and so if you are headed back to school this year, these designs would be great options if you need to have more minimal designs on your nails, or if you just want to add something cute to a more plain manicure, then hopefully you'll find some good ideas in this video. Today's video is actually a collab with Brenda from the channel by Clouser here on YouTube, and she has a ton of really great nail art and nail polish videos over on her channel as well, so make sure you check out her channel and subscribe. All of the links are down below, and I'm really excited to share these designs with you. I haven't done a 5 designs video in a while, and I always enjoy doing these and coming up with some fun ideas. So once again, make sure you check out Brenda's video as well. The link will be in the description box down below, and if you are new here for Brenda's channel, then thank you for stopping by. I hope you'll stick around, and I think that's it. So without any further ado, I'm going to leave you with some fun music, and let's get right on into the tutorial.
Lightning-stricken cactus and it starts to rain. The smell of steamed asphalt scented Novocaine. Nature's brew of all kinds of things. The mountain-sunk hills, sky-color schemes. Makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder. The Arizona thunder tonight. Endless roads to the horizon, past the oasis, it's all behind you. Mirage of agua, the stars above you, the creature's days to nocturnal days. Makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder. The Arizona thunder tonight.
So that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you do decide to recreate any of these designs, then definitely share on Instagram with hashtag TSNinspo so I can see and share with our community, and let me know in the comments which of these designs was your favorite or which one you'd like to incorporate in a manicure if you are headed back to school. And even if you're not headed back to school this year, these are also great just if you're a fan of minimal nail art like me, or if you want something more minimal to wear for work. So I hope you found some good ideas in this video, and once again, make sure you check out Brenda's video as well. The link will be in the description box down below. And if you are new here from Brenda's channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Once again, I hope you'll stick around. I'm trying to post 2 new videos every week. My own schedule is pretty crazy at the moment, so thank you guys for sticking with me while I try to post new content here on YouTube. But if you would like to see regular content over on my blog, 360nails.com, you can check that out in the description box as well. I post a new blog post every Wednesday and Sunday. You can also join the Very Important Polish Person email club, because I do share some notifications for new content over there, and you'll get some fun freebies, and I am working on a new newsletter, so that's going to be really exciting. You can also follow me over on Instagram at 360nails to see updates on my current manicures and just lifestyle content, and I do actually have a new series over on Instagram that I've been doing for a couple weeks now. It's called Sunlight Sundays, and I share some of my favorite faith and inspirational content that I've found throughout the week, so I've really been enjoying doing that. So yeah, I hope you'll stick around over there, and once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again with another video very soon. Same nail time, same nail channel. Have a polished rest of your day. Bye!